Hi, my dear students. Welcome to science class. In this class, we want to go study about the coal and petroleum. Already know about coal and petroleum products, and already you have knowledge about the petrol, where it's found, like that. It is also one of the natural resources, coal and petroleum, and these are also called as fossil fuels. Fossil, it means what? A lot of years ago, the large trees and animals are settled in the underground, and it will be decayed, and it produce some gases, and the gases are turned into these fossil fuels. Like that, in this lesson, coal and petroleum, the most important topic is natural gas. That is very important for your examination or test. So natural gas is nothing but the CNG. CNG, it means the full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. It is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transfer through pipes, and CNG is used for power generation, and it now be used in a lot of factories and home utilities, and it's a very popular gas also, and it produces less environmental pollution, and it will be easily available to the all peoples. So write these notes in your science fair about the natural gas. And here the natural gas is nothing but the which are prepared from the natural sources only. Compressed, it means what? Compressed natural gas, it means what? We decrease the mass of the gas, and it will be very helpful to mankind. And the great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories. We are discussing that. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara in Gujarat, and natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Fertilizer, it means which materials or which chemicals are give good crops. And India has vast reserves of natural gas in our country. Example, Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. So natural gas is very essential for mankind, and it's also popular. Here see that it is directly used in a burning in homes and factories, LPG like cylinders and etc. And it can be supplied through pipes easily. Means transportation is very easy. So it is now a very popular. And remember this, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Krishna Godavari. Some natural resources are limited. What it means limited means, you already know about in our 6th standard, some natural resources are renewable and non-renewable. Like that, which resources are replenished or not replenished. Like that, you already know about this knowledge in your 5th also. So here you have studied in this beginning of the chapter that some natural resources are exhaustible like fossil fuels, forest, minerals, etc. And here the coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. In a first, I will discuss about that. Fossil fuels, it means they are decaying. They are the result of the decaying matter. And here it required dead organisms millions of years ago to convert it into fuels. And moreover, burning of these fuels is major cause air pollution. Remember this. If we burn the natural resources, means it causes the air pollution, and air pollution causes the global warming, and again global warming turn to greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect turn to the loss of oxygen in the atmosphere. If the unavailability of the oxygen in the environment, it means the life will be not easy to survive. So remember, the fuel burning of the fuels is too high, it means it causes the pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. And in India, the Petroleum Conservation Reserves Association, means PCRA, remember this also, expand in exams, expand PCRA will be asked. Petroleum Conservation Research Association advises people how to save. So here some points are there. Drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Second one, switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. And third one, ensure correct tire pressure. And last one, ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. It means to change the oils, because it show or the engines or chains show the corrosion means it. If we control the corrosion, it means we use the regular maintenance of the vehicle. Driver at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engine at traffic lights, at a place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure. Okay, write this all points in your science fair.